guys, it's me, LuvNailsNicole. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to share with you guys the crystal stamping kit by Salon Perfect. You guys see me go in Walmart, and I shared with you guys when I spotted this in Walmart, and I picked it up because I wanted to try it out. I'm just going to do an unboxing, like open it today and show you guys what's on the inside. I'll test it out when I redo my nails, maybe with acrylics. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what came in the kit and how it works. On the back of here, it tells you what to do. It says pour crystals over desired pattern on template plate. Use the puff to smooth crystals into place. Using the stamping tool, apply light pressure to pick up the crystal design. Stamp the crystal design onto nails. It says see below. Okay, so you can use it with regular nail lacquer here, or you can use it with gel polish. So with the nail lacquer, it says after desired color has been applied, wait for nails to semi-dry, lightly press on crystal design, and finish with top coat. And then for the use with gel polish, it says after desired color has been cured, apply crystal design to nail, finish with top coat, and cure. So I think that's pretty cool that you can use it with regular nail polish and gel polish. It seems like it's going to be fairly easy to use. I don't know if you guys remember hearing back in the day, it was something I want to say called pave crystals, P-A-V-E, I'm not sure. Whoa, oh my gosh, I almost dropped you guys. But yeah, it was called pave crystals, and I remember coming across the pave crystal video, if I'm saying that right, on YouTube. And it was like, at the time I saw it, it was already like a couple of years old. And I think it was something that you had to order, and I don't, oh gosh, keep falling. I don't remember anything really coming of it. So it seems like Salon Perfect like picked that up, and they're doing something that was similar to that pave crystals that I remember seeing. Like I said, I've seen the video on YouTube. If you guys type in pave crystals, you may see what I'm talking about. But it was similar to this, where you used a stamper to pick up the rhinestones and place them onto your nails. So yeah, and I believe I've seen that. Yeah, I'm sure it was on YouTube. So this is exactly what that reminded me of. So when I seen it, I was like, oh wow, I'm picking this up. Give it a try. Something new. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this open, and I'm gonna show you guys what is on the inside of this crystal stamping kit by Salon Perfect. Alright, let's see what this baby comes with. Alright, so I guess this is the little poof they're talking about. It looks like a little makeup poof. So this is the poof. It's soft, and alright, so these are the crystals that's in it. Doesn't look like you get a ton of them, but this is a cute little thingy it's in. What is this in here? Let's see. Okay. I don't want them to spill. Oh, it has a little plastic cap over them. Okay. That's what they look like. They're like really flat. Okay. This is cute. Cute little stamper. Clear jelly head. Soft. It's cute. Oh. Alright, okay. And this is the plate. Alright, it goes this way. So these are the different designs you can do. And I think they all, most of them are right here on these nails. At least 4 of them are. Little lines. So they have deep little indentations. So I guess this is where you'll put the rhinestones. And I don't know if this is anything you need. I don't feel anything. It's paper. And the only directions are back here. So yeah. Alright, so what you do is you would take this and you pour the crystals on top of this. And when you pour the crystals down, you take this and smooth the crystals over with this, and then you'll take your stamping tool, apply light pressure to pick them up, and then they'll be on here in that design, and you'll just put the design right onto your nails. So that seems pretty cool. I don't think I'm gonna use it yet. I'm gonna redo my nails, and then I'll put it to some use and show you guys how it worked. I just wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys everything that came in the kit. So far, it seems like it's very simple and that it would work just fine, you know. So yeah, this was like $6 and some change, I believe. Found it at Walmart. So if you guys are interested, it was at Walmart. There was a bunch of them. If you guys watched that video, there was a few of them left, but a lot of the polishes were gone. So yeah, this is the Crystal Stamping Kit by Salon Perfect. It has 144 crystals, the design template plate, which is this, the poof, and the stamping tool. This is the little crystals. So yeah, I think that's cute. So yeah, if you guys have picked this up and tried it, let me know in the comments that what you guys think about it. If you have not or are thinking about trying it, let me know, and I will try to get a video up as soon as I can on me testing this baby out to see how well it works. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, please. If you guys are not subscribed, click that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so you'll know when I put up the next video, especially if I test this out. You guys will get notified. And thank you guys so much for watching and stopping by today. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.